Hello guys, it's time for another unboxing video. Alright, let's see what we got. First, as you can see, we ordered a Coleman camp oven rather. Wanted to try it out. And some Nix Wax cotton proof. Trinity had a few things he wanted to try to waterproof. Well, that's it for now. Thank you.
Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please click the like button. If you'd like to see more, click subscribe. You can also click on the bell icon to receive notifications when we upload new videos. If you have questions or suggestions for new videos, please leave a comment down below. You can also consider supporting us on Patreon, or you can join us on our Discord server. The links will be in the description below.